In this video you will learn how to add Stripe to Bolt.new. Ensure you have Supabase or authentication set up. Your Bolt.new project must be connected to Supabase, which manages your database, authentication and edge function. If not set up, configure your user login and sign up. Get a Stripe secret API key, log into your Stripe account, switch to test mode and go to the API key section, then copy your secret key. Add Stripe integration into your Bolt.new project. In the Bolt.new interface, go to integrations, then Stripe, then paste your secret key, and receive your Stripe products. Select and apply your product. Choose which Stripe product or subscription you want to use, then apply for the selection. Bolt.new will automatically generate a Supabase X function to handle checkouts, webhooks, customers and subscriptions and more. Apply changes to Supabase. Bolt.new will prompt you to apply updated to your Supabase backend. Accept these and finalize the Stripe integration. Thoroughly test in Stripe's test mode. Use Stripe's test cards to simulate fail or authentication to required for the transaction. Test your checkout, webhooks and subscription flows to confirm everything works correctly. Now you know how to add Stripe to Bolt.new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.